In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Spotify to Discord, step-by-step guide. By the end, your Discord profile can show what you're listening to on Spotify, and you'll have the option to display a Spotify badge on your profile. This process is quick, secure, and doesn't require sharing any passwords directly with Discord. First, make sure you have both a Discord account and a Spotify account, and that you can sign into each. It helps to have both apps updated to the latest version, but you can also do this from a browser if you prefer. You don't need Spotify Premium just to link accounts. Premium is only required for certain listening features. Open Discord and head into your user settings. On desktop, click the little gear icon next to your profile at the bottom left. This opens your personal settings where you control things like privacy, voice, and connected apps. In the settings menu, find and select the connections section. This page is designed specifically for linking external services to Discord, so you'll see a row of recognizable app icons. It's the central place where you add, view, and manage those connections. Click the Spotify icon. A browser window will pop up and take you to Spotify's secure authorization page. If you're not already logged into Spotify, sign in there. Then click Agree to grant Discord permission to connect. This uses Spotify's official sign-in flow, so Discord never sees your password. It just receives permission to show your Spotify activity. Once authorized, return to Discord and confirm that Spotify now appears under your connected accounts. You should see the Spotify logo and your linked account details, which means the connection is active and ready. Next, choose what you want to show. Still on the connections page, turn on display on profile to add a Spotify badge to your Discord profile. If you'd like your status to update automatically with the song you're currently playing, enable display Spotify as your status. That optional toggle will show listening to along with the track information, and friends can usually click through to hear it themselves. If you prefer more privacy, just leave that off. If the Spotify badge or status doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Close and reopen Discord or refresh the app. On desktop, a quick Ctrl plus R or Command plus R can do the trick. Give it a moment and it should sync up, especially once you start playing something on Spotify. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.